Today, we're diving into the MUSETEX ATX PC case Y6-MU1000, a budget-friendly powerhouse that promises high-end performance without breaking the bank. Starting with the MUSETEX 1000W full modular power supply, this unit is designed for efficiency and stability. It features high-quality capacitors that ensure a stable voltage output, making it durable and reliable for long-term use. Under typical system loads, it boasts an impressive efficiency conversion rate of over 85%, which means lower power consumption and better heat dissipation, essential for keeping your rig cool during intense gaming sessions. One of the standout features of this PSU is its fully modular design. This means you can customize your cable management to your exact needs, reducing clutter and improving airflow within your case. The all-black flat cables not only look sleek but also make the installation process a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a first-time DIY enthusiast, the ease of cable routing will enhance your building experience. Cooling is another area where MUSETEX excels. The power supply comes equipped with a 140mm cooling fan with 11 blades, paired with a large mesh design on the enclosure. This setup ensures efficient cooling while keeping noise levels down, creating a quiet gaming environment that's perfect for marathon sessions. Now, let's talk about the MUSETEX Y6 case itself. This mid-tower case combines functionality with style. The black matte texture exudes a mysterious, high-end look, while the 270 degrees fully transparent dual-tempered glass panels provide a panoramic view of your build. This design is perfect for showcasing your high-end hardware and any collectibles you want to display, making your setup a visual centerpiece. The internal layout of the case is meticulously designed to optimize space. Each compartment is thoughtfully arranged, and the snap-on panel design allows for tool-free installation, making the build process smoother and more convenient. The case supports GPUs up to 400mm, CPU coolers up to 176mm in height, and top-mounted liquid coolers up to 360mm, ensuring compatibility with most mainstream hardware. In summary, the MUSETEX ATX PC case Y6-MU1000 is a fantastic option for gamers and DIY enthusiasts looking for a cost-effective solution without sacrificing performance or aesthetics. Its efficient power supply, excellent cooling capabilities, and spacious, user-friendly design make it a standout choice in the market. If you're building a new gaming rig or upgrading your current setup, this case and power supply combo offers an unbeatable price-to-performance ratio that's hard to ignore. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.